Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, and good evening, everybody. I was checking the watch and checking the calendar, and today is November 19th, right? Well, what do I have behind me? This is an anvil cloud. What's that doing here in Montana, especially this time of year? This was shot by Tex Jawart. This was about 10 miles north of Reed Point. We had some thunderstorms out there today. Take a look at that. There's picture proof. It's evidence. I love it. Cool looking shot, Tex. Thanks for sending that in. Here's one from Sandy Dara. She says this is a Eurasian collared dove and is enjoying the beautiful warm weather in her front yard today. And boy, that was a good close-up. I'm ready for my close-up, Sandy. Yeah, a nice looking shot. Here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Currently, we have 32 degrees. It is freezing with partly cloudy skies. Winds are out of the west at about 6 miles per hour. Now our high temp today actually topped out at 51. Yeah, we got up that high. 43 is your average high for this time of year. 68 was the record back in 2003. The record low is 8 below zero in a very cold 1985 year. We had a lot of record lows that year, especially in November. Meanwhile, you'll notice here today our sunset was at 4:39, and as you'll see here, as far as precipitation, we actually did have 1/100th of an inch of precipitation early this morning. About 6 o'clock in the morning, we had some light rain blow on through, so it takes us to 3,700ths on the month, so a little bit behind. For the year, we're at 1281, also a little bit behind normal there. Normal is 1294, and as you can see, our current temps around the state, we're into the teens up along the high line. Pretty chilly there. 29 at Lewistown, 20s and 30s out in the west, generally 20s and 30s back here just about everywhere we look. Billings, one of the warmer spots at 32, but Livingston, they're at 33, and Cody, a very comfortable 35. Same thing over at Missoula. But these are reported highs for today. A lot of 30s, 40s, and back here in the east, mostly into the 50s today. 54 over at Sheridan, 51 at Billings, 52 over Miles City, 51 at Glendive. And as you see out the far west, we do have a winter weather advisory there until about midnight tonight. Looking for another 2 to 4 inches of snow above the 3,500-foot level. And as you see, Doppler radar shows you getting some snow showers out there right now, so I wouldn't be surprised, but looks like the trailing edge of that is just now starting to leave Idaho and moving towards Montana, so we'll see what happens. Back here in our neck of the woods, a couple of scattered snow showers over in the Beartooth Mountains as they come down off the mountains. The downsloping winds inhibit that stuff from developing, so we're not seeing too much here in the Billings area, kind of going around from us. In the meantime, let me show you what's happening. As you'll see here, we have basically a big upper-level trough across most of the northern Rockies. That's allowing the cool air to settle down in our neck of the woods. That's why we're seeing snow showers in our area tonight across the region. And some colder air continues to be up in the northeast corner of the state. Snow out here in the west, but look at this. High pressure moving in there will bring some milder temperatures on Friday morning. Friday afternoon, warm front moves in. We're warming up very nicely. By Saturday, still partly cloudy skies, and you'll continue to see warming conditions across our region. So here's what you're going to see tonight. Temps cooling back down into the 20s, some low 30s, maybe a few lingering snow showers to the east. And then for tomorrow, we get right back up into the 30s and some 40s, partly cloudy skies, but mostly sunny skies moving in later on in the afternoon and also throughout much of that day. So it's going to be a pretty nice looking day. For us in Billings tonight, mostly clear skies. Later tonight, we'll cool down to 28 degrees. Next 7 days looks like this. 46 degrees on Friday, 46 Saturday, mostly sunny skies on Friday, mostly sunny skies on Saturday. Sunday, nothing but sunny skies. 46 on Monday, mostly cloudy skies then. 46 on Tuesday, 46 Wednesday, and then on Thanksgiving Day, we cool it all the way back down to 42 degrees. That's a look at the weather. Let's go back to Russ.